Hi guys, and welcome back to Flea Market Finds 2025. We're back at day 3 of the drill press to see will it run. The previous video showed what I found inside the box that the individual added in the deal to sweeten up the deal a little bit. So today we're gonna see if this thing runs, if it's gonna go into action. So make sure you like and subscribe while you watch this video or after you watch other videos. So today we're back at the machine, and I really want to know if this thing runs already. So let's see. It was a pretty substantial purchase, but I really liked what I saw in it. So today we're going to make sure the machine is off. I just want to tell you guys that when you turn on or off a machine, you want to make sure that all the doors are closed and everything is out of the way. You know, like these clamps are out of the way. They're not near the chuck or so on and so forth. You do want to see if this thing turns. It's a little bit hard to open because it's been sitting so long. We're just going to throw some DW40 on it. Bear with me 1 second. A little bit tight. Let's see. Come on, guy. Open up. There we go. There she goes. Let's see if the quill goes down. There we go. Really nice. Let's see if I can get these things to move. They're pretty hard to move. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Even these things probably close up. Actually not. They're kind of stuck. I'm guessing. But we'll take a look at that at another. Hold on 1 second. Maybe we got something here. My assistant is helping me a little bit over here. There we go. Stays. Other one's in place right now. Just wanted to make sure that everything is all intact right here. You could see. You always want to make sure that all of these are locked. It's locked in place, which is all right. As I showed you guys, the motor is from another machine. I guess they took it from another machine. Now let's see if she runs. I'm really excited. Moment of truth. It's all plugged in. Everything's out of reach. Nothing is stuck. As you can see, it's really easy. All plugged in. I haven't started it. Let's make sure that the chuck goes freely. It's a little bit hard to move since it's been sitting so long. I just want to make sure that everything is movable and so on and so forth, so you don't hear creaking in the spindle. Everything looks fine. Moment of truth, guys. Check it out. Yes, we got it running. There she goes after so many years of sitting. So if you like and subscribe, add anything in the comments, and I hope you have a great day.